This is Quarterly Housekeeping 101. What you need to do to keep your house properly functioning. You do this on a quarterly basis, and I'm filming Jax just because he wanted to be in the picture. Hi, Dixie. Okay, what you're going to need is a gallon of X19 or some type of professional mildew degreaser, cleaner, whatever. And one of these. And you put on this household only, so that way you don't use it as squirt guns for the kids. It's this little pumper deal. So I started my morning by spraying down the tub. If you want your clothes to stay clean, you have to keep the mildew out of the tub. So I spray the whole thing down. And then, see, nice and clean, spotless. You let it sit for a little bit, and then if you have a tub cycle clean, you will use that. But if you don't, Rachel, at your house, you have a really cool sprayer that I use to clean yours, and it reaches your washing machine. So you can just spray it out with water, do one clean cycle without any soap, and then do your clothes. It keeps them from smelling like mildew, regardless of the type of soap you use. Okay, we'll go to number 2.